Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. Preliminary German Lessons. Lesson 26. Using the dative case. Section 26-1. Dative articles. First, let's look at the definite articles. Just as the nominative and accusative case, we have four categories of definite articles: masculine singular, feminine singular, neutral singular, and the plural form. For the nominative case, the definite articles in German are as follows: der, die, das und die. For the accusative case, the definite articles in German are as follows: den, die, das und die. As for the dative case, we have dem, der, dem und den. For the indefinite articles, we have the following three categories: masculine singular, feminine singular, and neutral singular. No plural forms. For the nominative case, the indefinite articles in German are as follows: ein, eine, ein. Akkusativ: einen, eine, ein. As for the dative case, the indefinite articles in German are as follows: einem, einer, einem. Zum Beispiel: ich gebe der Frau einen Apfel. Wir zeigen dem Mann den Hund. Ich leihe einem Kind das Buch. Sie gibt den Leuten die Unterlagen. Next, we'll move on to practice questions. See you in the next video.